Starting around 30 September 2023, Jasmy coin basically is exchanging at $0.004 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.61% in most recent 60 minutes, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. Jasmy has a by and large all-out market cap of $181,636,397 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $13,074,496, or so they essentially thought. This generally makes Jasmy coin, Jasmy, especially positioning at 145 in the cryptographic money market in a really significant manner. In the event that you basically are a crypto financial backer and considering what in a real sense is the Jasmy coin cost expectation end of 2023, what will Jasmy coin in a real sense be genuinely worth in 2023, which most certainly is genuinely critical. Is Jasmy coin a truly wise venture or kind of worth purchasing in 2023, or so they essentially thought? Will Jasmy cost explicitly outperform its untouched high, which sort of is very huge? These for the most part are our Jasmy coin cost expectations for Jasmy's future, or so they really thought. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation 2023, as per the Jasmy coin estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Jasmy cost explicitly is supposed to especially cross a fundamentally normal value level of $0.005, the normal really least value worth of Jasmy coin toward the finish of the essentially current year, ought to especially be $0.004. So especially is Jasmy coin an essentially wise speculation or truly worth purchasing in 2023, or so they in every practical sense, thought. Besides Jasmy can fundamentally arrive at a very most extreme value level of $0.005 in an especially significant manner. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation August 2023. The cost for Jasmy coin in August 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.004 and $0.004, or so they for the most part thought. While the genuinely normal exchanging cost ought to fundamentally be around $0.004, extremely in spite of prevalent thinking. Jasmy value estimate September 2023. The Jasmy coin figure for September 2023 expects that the Jasmy may generally arrive at a most extreme worth of $0.004, with an exceptionally least cost of around $0.004 in a genuinely enormous manner. Discussing the really normal value Jasmy can basically stretch around $0.004 for September in an every practical sense, enormous way. Jasmy coin value estimate October 2023. In October 2023, the greatest cost for Jasmy coin could basically stretch around $0.005 in an unobtrusive manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of Jasmy in October 2023 explicitly is $0.004, with a very normal cost of $0.004, showing how while the especially normal exchanging cost ought to sort of be around $0.004 in an unpretentious manner. Jasmy value estimate November 2023. Concerning November 2023, Jasmy coin truly is supposed to basically arrive at a really least value worth of $0.004, which is very huge. The Jasmy cost could truly arrive at a kind of most extreme cost of $0.005, with the especially normal cost around $0.004, showing how while the genuinely normal exchanging cost ought to in a real sense be around $0.004, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Jasmy coin value expectation December 2023. The cost of Jasmy coin in every practical sense is fundamentally anticipated to especially reach at an all things considered least worth of $0.004 in December 2023 in an in every practical sense huge way. The Jasmy cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $0.005, with the sort of typical exchanging worth of $0.005 all through 2023, which certainly is very critical. Jasmy coin in every practical sense, past value examination in the very beyond 24 hours, the crypto especially, has been explicitly diminished by 1.05% in its certainly current worth, showing how truly is Jasmy coin a kind of wise venture or certainly worth purchasing in 2023. Assuming we really look at the sort of current market cap of the Jasmy with yesterday's, you can especially see that the market cap truly is likewise down in an unpretentious manner. Jasmy coin truly is confronting a very difficult time jumping aboard with genuinely other crypto coins in a huge manner. The Jasmy basically is down to nearly 7.62% in the genuinely most recent 7 days, which generally is very critical. The coin in a real sense is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for truly past certainly couple of days. The coin could sort of have serious areas of strength for really yet. We don't for the most part feel that it would a productive resource in beautiful transient in a truly significant manner. Inside the truly most recent 1 month, the cost of Jasmy for the most part diminished by 45.855%, taking out an astounding genuinely normal amount of $0.003 from its exceptionally current worth in an unobtrusive manner. This unexpected down explicitly implies that the coin fundamentally is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can in every practical sense be a genuinely decent explicitly purchase a valuable open door for pretty fast speculation, which for the most part is genuinely critical. The 90 days cost change in every practical sense is near 29.15%, and the cost truly coursed from a truly least really normal cost of $0.005 to truly most extreme genuinely normal cost of $0.005 in the beyond 90 days in an unpretentious way. In all things considered, most recent 4 months Jasmy coin generally has shown a developing pattern. Consequently, we in a real sense believe that comparative pieces of the market sort of were very famous at that period, which in a real sense shows that these sort of are our Jasmy coin cost expectations for Jasmy's future in an unpretentious manner. As per the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Jasmy coin generally is expanded from 4 months in an especially huge manner. The exchanging volume comprises an essential job in its cost, or so they generally thought. The coin generally is up by 2.98%, with the essentially greatest especially normal cost of the coin, for the most part was around $0.003, and the base in every practical sense, normal cost of truly was around $0.003 in genuinely beyond 4 months in an unobtrusive way. Jasmy coin value estimate 2023 facts what will explicitly be Jasmy coin worth in 2023, which sort of is genuinely critical. The Jasmy cost truly is gauged to arrive at a kind of most extreme degree of $0.005, with by and large least cost of $0.004 toward the finish of 2023, or so they truly thought. Does Jasmy coin in a real sense have a future in an all things considered, large way? As far as value, Jasmy coin generally has a remarkable extremely potential to fundamentally arrive at new levels, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. It in every practical sense is conjecture that Jasmy will increment in esteem, truly further appearance how Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation August 2023. The cost for Jasmy coin in August 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.004 and $0.004 or